What do you want to have?
2 jalapenos again.
2? You don't think it's hot? I'll give you another one.
How does he do that?
Because he's a man. He's been watching us.
I said 2.
Try one at a time.
Yay.
One at a time, buddy.
I can only
Are you going to eat it on a spoonful of your soup?
I can only go to 6 jalapenos. Mom, I've What?
You just ate it? Whoa, you're a man.
Mom, he's more of a man than you. No. Mom, I have good news and bad news to tell you.
What?
The good news is Noah's a man now. The bad news is I'm the only boy in the family that doesn't like jalapenos.
Did you just lick the tablecloth? Here, eat some soup. You'll feel better. It'll help you. Or eat your breads.
I have some good news and bad news too. Can I give it to us?
Yeah.
Say. And the bad news? And the bad news is
What do you say?